Are you tired of your CPAP hose getting tangled or blocking airflow while you sleep? The CPAP hose holder for bed is here to help. It lifts your hose off the bed, preventing buckling and king tubes that interrupts your sleep. With adjustable angles and height, you can easily position the hose to suit your sleeping style, side, back, or restless mover. Installation is effortless. Clip it onto your bed frame or nightstand and enjoy a tangle-free, comfortable sleep every night. Plus, it keeps your hose out of your face and prevents wear from bending. Improve your CPAP experience with this simple, effective accessory designed for peaceful, uninterrupted rest. The link is in my profile.